Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how your computer understands you when you click on an app? Or how does software talk to the components inside your computer? It's all thanks to the operating system, or OS for short. In this short video, we're going to break it down in simple terms. Think of the operating system as the manager or the translator of your computer. Without it, a computer is just a useless pile of metal and wires. When you give a command, like opening a video, the OS takes that command, translates it into the language of the hardware, like the CPU and RAM, and tells them what to do. In short, it's the bridge between you and your computer's components. There are three main and well-known operating systems for computers. First, Windows, the most famous and widely used OS in the world. It supports the vast majority of software and games. Second, macOS, Apple's exclusive operating system, which only runs on Mac devices. It is highly stable, secure, and excellent for design and video editing. Third, Linux, an open-source operating system. It's mostly used by developers, hackers, and servers because it gives you total control over the system. So, which one is better? The answer depends entirely on your needs. If you love gaming and want maximum software compatibility, Windows is your best bet. If you have the budget, want a clean user experience, and your work revolves around video editing or graphic design, Mac is ideal. But if you want to dive deep into programming and cybersecurity, Linux is the #1 choice. Right now, the latest versions include Windows 11, which brought massive changes and integrated more artificial intelligence, AI. On Apple's side, we have macOS Sequoia, making it incredibly easy to connect and use your iPhone right from your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which operating system are you using right now? See you in the next video.